Hello everyone, welcome back to the MailsDaddy channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to migrate an individual Google Drive account to Zoho WorkDrive with step by step using simple and direct method. If you have already migrated or are going to migrate, this guide will help you to access your personal drive in a few simple steps. Here's the important part. While Zoho doesn't offer a dedicated migration tool for personal Google Drive accounts, it does provide a built-in feature called Cloud Picker, which allows you to import your Google Drive files into WorkDrive directly. So in this video, we will using the Cloud Picker method to perform a smooth cloud-to-cloud migration without downloading files manually. Let's get started. Open the browser and log in with Zoho WorkDrive account, and for that go to one.zoho.com. Once you are on the dashboard, choose WorkDrive, then go to My Folder or the location where you want to import your files. Now click on the New button at the top right corner and choose Import from Cloud option. A new window will open showing different cloud storage options. Here choose Google Drive, click on this. Now sign in with your Google account and grant the required permission. Once it's connected, you will be able to browse all your Google Drive files and folders directly inside Zoho WorkDrive. Simply select the files or folder you want to migrate. Here I already connected with my Google account. For choose file, here I continue with this file and click on select button. Click on this. And after selecting, click on the attach button. That's it. Zoho WorkDrive will start importing your selected files. Depending on the size of data, this process may take a few moments. Once completed, you can see all your files available inside your WorkDrive folder. You can also move these files in single folder. For that, select the file, click on dot button and click on move to, and choose the folder and just click on this button, move button. Your file successfully moved. So this is how you can easily migrate your Google Drive data to Zoho WorkDrive using the Cloud Picker method. So this is how you can easily migrate your Google Drive data to Zoho WorkDrive using the Cloud Picker method without any manual download or complex steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the MailsDaddy channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.